Wysa review. Honest user experience with this high-powered mental health platform. Mental health apps are everywhere today, but few feel truly personal or effective. That's why I decided to try Wysa, an high-powered mental health platform that promises to combine chat-based support with science-backed techniques. Here's my honest experience after using it for several weeks. Most people think I can't really help with emotional struggles, but the surprising truth is that Wysa comes remarkably close. The app uses a friendly iPenguin chatbot that guides you through anxiety, stress, or low mood using cognitive behavioral therapy, mindfulness, and journaling techniques. When I first opened the app, it asked a few simple questions about how I was feeling. Within minutes, it suggested tailored exercises like grounding techniques for anxiety or breathing routines for better sleep. What stood out to me was how natural the conversations felt. It didn't sound robotic or judgmental. I also appreciated that Wysa isn't just about chatting. It has structured programs for specific issues like burnout, confidence, or grief. Each one builds gradually, helping you reflect and reframe negative thoughts step by step. For users who want more than eye support, Wysa offers access to real human therapists through in-app paid plans. Sessions are affordable compared to traditional therapy, though availability depends on your region. The only downside? It's not a replacement for professional mental health care if you're facing severe depression or crisis situations, but for daily emotional support and mental fitness, it's genuinely helpful. In short, Wysa delivers on its promise. It's private, accessible, and surprisingly comforting. Whether you're managing everyday stress or building self-awareness, it's a smart companion for your mental well-being.